Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which SEC filing is required when publicly traded companies experience a material event such as bankruptcy, change in auditor, or major acquisition? This question is focusing on, do you know what each form is for? We have 4 forms here: 10K, 10Q, 8K, S1. Well, let's go through them and see which one will fit this need. Now, if you're using Farhat Lectures, you could always ask AI to explain each one of them if you'd like to, but this is, you get the answer, but in case you're not familiar. Otherwise, if you know what they are, let's try to eliminate them. 10K is annual. Well, do we wait for the annual report if we change the auditor? Absolutely not. 10Q is quarterly. Do we have to wait a quarter to tell the users, the investors, about a major acquisition? I would say not. We'll have to let them know earlier. Now we're between 8K and S1. What is S1? S1 is used when companies registered securities for public. So it has a specific purpose. It's when we want to sell our securities and go public, we form S1. That's not relevant. The relevant form is 8K. 8K, if there's any major event, such as the one that you saw, bankruptcy, a material event such as bankruptcy, change in auditor, major acquisition, and I went over all these material events on the prior slides, you will have to file 8K, and you have 4 days to file those 4K. What should you do now? You're going to go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources. If you're studying for your CPA exam, don't shortchange yourself. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.